In a recent press conference held in Shillong, Talentica Eastern Zone Director Rapborlang L Mawphlang informed that the prestigious contest of Mr. India International and Miss India Global would be held in Goa from 12th to 23rd December 2020. While speaking to media persons, Rapborlang L Mawphlang also informed that after proper selection was done, the committee was able to zero down to 2 contestants to represent Meghalaya in the prestigious event.
As director, I've been given an opportunity to choose and select contestants to represent Talentica Miss India Global and Talentica Mr. India International. So during these few months, from the month of May, June, I have been in search of contestants. I've been doing online research and doing vote calls with each and every participants who wanted to join this prestigious event. This prestigious event, we were starting off with the Talentica Mr. India, which will be happening from the 12th of December till the 15th, which will be held in Goa. After which we will be starting with Miss India International, with Miss India Global, Talentica Miss India Global, which again will be held in Goa from the 18th of December to the 23rd of December. And during this process, I've come across many contestants who have come along, given their interviews with me over online. So the selection of process is very simple. They send us their photos, their introduction, and then we make a call with them. And after the first selection is done, then they go through a second audition, which is face-to-face. But since due to the pandemic, we did it online through a vote and through Zoom calls. And during this process, I've selected 2 wonderful contestants who are sitting right beside me. One is Marvin Carsono and the other is Nandita Day. Gargi Day, sorry. So she would be representing, both of them would be representing Meghalaya in this prestigious event.
Mr. Meghalaya in the Talentica Mr. India International 2020. I'm very glad to have this opportunity to get to represent my state and the rich heritage, culture and the traditions that our state has to offer to the nation. We are a small state, yet we have so much of potential, so much of diversity to show to the world, to show to the whole nation that from the tourist perspective point of view to the cultures, there's so much of things that we have to offer to the world.
Brought up in Shillong, Meghalaya. I take great pleasure, I take great inspiration and a lot of pride to be a part of this matriarchy society. I was born and brought up in Shillong, Meghalaya, and I always wanted to represent Meghalaya at a bigger platform, and therefore I want the rest of the world to know about our rich cultural heritage, and therefore I want to represent Meghalaya at a bigger platform. So this is why I'm here today.